Hi guys, today I'm making a Tesla Cybertruck, designing and printing it in OnShape. I am Nehan and I am from the UK, and this is my channel CatchPixel. Design and how it looks in OnShape, and this is how it looks when I 3D printed it. This is the side view and this is the top view. This is the rear view and this is the cross view. These are all the parts in my design. Here we have the main body and here we have all the tires. Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a 3D printable car which moves. And first I'm going to go into the front sketch view and insert an image. Then I'm going to go into our other documents and click on by me. And then we're going to start with the blueprint of a Cybertruck on its side. So let's just do this. The reason why I picked this specific model is because it is super simple to make. So we'll click the line tool and start carefully tracing this out. Then we go, we get the top part's mostly done. So the bottom part's gonna get done. Now, if you can see, I accidentally did the wheels, but we do not want to do the wheels curves. Just click and go straight to the next point. So we don't want to map out the wheels. We want to go over the wheels. We don't need the wheel curves. Here I'm trying to pan the plane back in. If you didn't know, you just hold the middle mouse. Okay. Again, we do not want those little wheel indents. So after we've done this step, cut here. What we're gonna want to do is adjust it a little, and then click sketch 1, click the tick mark, and extrude it. Now I'm gonna click symmetric and give the Cybertruck your desired width. Now with this, you can bevel out the shapes. What I'm doing here is I'm going to chamfer the sides so that it fits the Cybertruck. So we're going to click right. I'm going to offset that plane to the back. So now we're going to go to sketch and obviously insert the image. We're going to click left. Then we're going to go and click insert image, owned by me. And we're going to do this view, which is the view of the back. Then we're going to have to map this out so that you can actually see it. Okay, now align it with your model. This is how it looks after 3D printing. I used a matte blue color, and you can see I had supports to print the windows in place, and the tires had this little outside so that it doesn't droop down. We can also see that it's slanted very nice. Design and how it looks in OnShape, and this is how it looks when I 3D printed it. This is the other side of what it looks like. I superglued it, but some of it just got onto the 3D model.